Good morning, children. Okay, in this previous class, we learned ascending and descending order. Okay, second class, maths. Ascending order. Textbook page is 11. Textbook page 11. Ascending order. Five, 43, 22. Ascending order. Children, listen. What is ascending order? Ascending order means in these numbers, which one is the smallest? First we write the which one is the smallest to come to biggest number. It will comes to biggest number. Ascending order means small to big. The number starts from small to big. The number starts from small to big. Small to big number. This is called ascending order. In these numbers, we will write the ascending order of these numbers. Okay, children? Ascending order ఏంటంటే smaller number నుంచి big number కి రాయడం. So ascending order ఈ numbers కి ascending order రాయాలి అంటే సో వీటిలో ఫస్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ రాయాలి. చిన్న నెంబర్ రాయాలి. చిన్న నెంబర్ నుంచి పెద్ద నెంబర్ రాయాలన్నమాట. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. 35, 43, 22 లో which one is the ఏ నెంబర్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్? చాలా చిన్న నెంబర్. 35, 43, 22 లో 22 is the smallest number. So that we write 22. So ascending order, we write ascending order. So ascending order means first we write the smallest number. Smallest number. Okay, children? Next smallest number 35 or 43. 22 is already over. So in 35 to 43, which one is the smallest in these two numbers? 35 is the next smallest number. So next smallest number is 35 is also over. Okay, next 43. 43. Clear, children? So 22 is the smallest. It becomes to big number. So in this ascending order, 22 is the smallest number. 43 is the biggest number. Okay? Next one more sum. 56, 9, 17. So you write, children, ascending order of these numbers. Ascending order. Spelling of ascending order is A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. So what is ascending order, children? You know that ascending order means small to big. So first we write the smallest number in these numbers. So which one is the smallest number? 56, 9, 17. 56, 9, 17 లో ఏ నెంబర్ చిన్న నెంబరు? 9 is the 9 అనేది smallest number. So 9. Next. So 9 is also over. Okay, after over. Next smallest number. Next తర్వాత smallest number ఏదమ్మా? 56, 17 లో next smallest number ఏది? 17. number. So next 56 over. So in these ఇప్పుడు ఈ ascending order లో ఏ number smallest number? 9 is the smallest number and 56 is the biggest number. Okay children? Next another one. 63, 28, 79, 55. Ascending order. Ascending order. Tell me children, ascending order. First we write what number? First we write. Tell me children. In this ascending order, first we write the smallest number. In this also, in 56, 9, 7, 10, first we write the smallest number. Like this, in these numbers, which one is the smallest number? ఈ numbers లో ఏ number smallest number? ఏ number smallest number అమ్మా? 63, 28, 79, 55. వీటిలో ఏది smallest number? 28 is the smallest number. Next. So 28 is the smallest number. Next smallest number is 63, 79, 55. So 55 is the next smallest number. 55 is the next smallest number. So next smallest number is 63, 79. So 63 is the next smallest number. So 63 is the next smallest number. So next 79. Remaining is 79. So in this ascending order, which one is the smallest number? 28 is the smallest number. Biggest number? 79 is the biggest number. Okay, note down in your maths is available. If you have a textbook, note down in your maths textbook. Directly note down in your maths textbook. Page number 11. Page number 11. Next, descending order. Descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending order. Descending order. In descending order, first one is 73, 42, 55. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending order. Descending order. So ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Big to small. Big to small. So first we one is big to small. So big to small. In descending order, which one is the biggest number? 73 is the biggest number and 42 is the smallest number. Okay children, next goes to the next sum. Forty-five, 51, 12. In this descending order. Descending order. Descending order of these numbers. So first children, what we do of descending order? First of descending order, we will write the biggest number in these numbers. First read the numbers 45, 51, 12. In 45, 51, 12 లో ఏది బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ కి మనం ఏం రాయాలి? బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ రాయాలి. సో వీటిలో బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏది? 51 is the biggest number. So write 51. So next 45 to 12 are remaining. మిగిలిన ఏ numbers 45 to 12 ఈ 2 numbers మిగిలాయి. ఈ 2 numbers లో నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏది? 45 is the next biggest number. So 45 is the next biggest number. So next 12. Observe children, descending order is big to small, big to small. So in this, which one is the biggest number? Tell me children, which one is the biggest number? 51 is the biggest number, 12 is the smallest number. Note down children. Eighteen, 62, 77, 33. Descending order. Descending order, right? Descending order children. First we write the biggest number. 18 to 62, 77, 33. Which one is the biggest number? Yes, 77 is the biggest number. Next biggest number 18 to 62, 33. 62 is the next biggest number. Next biggest number is 33. So next number 18. Okay children, note down in your maths CW. ascending order. First one is 13, 31, 43. Arrange children these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is small to big. Clear? So that in this, which one is the smallest number? 13 is the smallest number. Next smallest number is 31. Next 43. Same. Here given answer, we will write like that. Next one, 56, 19, 48, 63. In this, which one is the smallest number? Tell me children, which one is the smallest? 19 is the smallest number. Next smallest number is 48. So next smallest number is 56. So next smallest number is 63. Note down in your maths CW or in your textbook page number 11. Next, arrange in descending order. Descending order is big to small. Big to small. So 86, 80, 18. Next 93, 48, 17 to 9. So in this, first descending order is big to small. So 86 is the biggest number. Next biggest number is 80. Next biggest number is 18. Okay children. Next, this is the homework children.